Why PDC drill bit as a replacement product of impregnated diamond core bits? What is PDC? PDC or polycrystalline diamond compact is the key component of cutting teeth. The composite sheet is generally disc-shaped. Its structure is composed of a thin layer of artificial polycrystalline diamond and a tungsten carbide underlayer. It features high strength, high hardness and high wear resistance, and can withstand temperature of 750. PDC drill bit advantage, because the bit is a kind of new super hard material which is synthesized by carbide alloy and synthetic diamond polycrystal under high temperature and pressure. Compared with the traditional carbide alloy bit, PDC bit has significant advantages. Its service life is 10 to 30 times that of the traditional carbide bit. PDC bit is characterized by good stability, long service life and high drilling efficiency. It is widely used in coal preparation, railway, highway, water well, metal mine, excavation, quarrying, tunnel engineering, etc. PDC drill bit structure, it relies on the cutting teeth installed on the drill body to cut the formation. These cutting teeth have two structures, composite cutting teeth and gear column. Their structures and installation methods on the drill are as follows. The compound chip cutting tooth is formed by welding the compound chip directly into the groove reserved on the drill body. It is generally used for matrix bit. The tooth column cutting tooth is formed by welding the composite sheet on the tungsten carbide tooth column, and the tooth column is inlaid or welded in the tooth space on the bit body during installation. PDC drill bit principle. It has been found from experiments for a long time that among the mechanical strengths of rocks, the tensile strength is the lowest, followed by the shear strength, and the compressive strength is the highest, and the compressive strength is often several to 10 times higher than the shear strength. It is obvious that it is much easier and more effective to break rocks by shear than by crushing. PDC bit's compound slice cutting structure just makes use of the mechanical property of rock and uses efficient shearing method to break rock, so as to achieve the purpose of fast drilling. When PDC bit moves in soft to medium hard formation, the composite cutting teeth overcome the formation stress and slide forward under the action of wob and torque. Under the action of cutting teeth, the rock is broken along its shear direction and produces plastic flow. The rock cutting produced by cutting is in the shape of large pieces. All the cutting processes are very similar to the cutting of metal materials by tools, see figure 1:1. The cuttings are sheared, and then the mud is ejected from the nozzle and taken away to the ring between the drill bit and the well wall and transported to the outside of the well.
Speedmade Drilling Equipment Company Limited. Email @speedmadedrill.com. WhatsApp +8618574606855.